Coughing is not just a habit or a noise the body makes. It is a protective reflex designed to keep the airways clear and the lungs safe. When this reflex is repeatedly suppressed, it can affect the body in several ways. When dust, mucus, smoke, or germs enter the airways, sensors in the throat and lungs immediately detect them. These sensors send signals to the brainstem, which triggers a cough. The cough releases a strong burst of air that helps remove these irritants before they settle deeper into the lungs. When a cough is held in, this cleaning action is interrupted. Mucus and foreign particles remain inside the airways instead of being expelled. Over time, this trapped material can create conditions that allow bacteria and viruses to grow more easily.